Next, if you are going to the swimming pool, that in the corner.
Yeah, that's nice. Nice
So,
room with
this
living
one.
room. Huge one. Who is this woman? We asked for this one. It's very important. I was like, wow. They have a bathtub here.
No.
This is a really huge pool. Wow. Hi, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to have a stay in Patra Bali. This is close by in airport, 2 minutes walk only. Let me tour you here. It's really nice. Hope you will like it. We are going to stay here only for 2 nights. We need this at home. We're going to the moon.
If you want like the playground, turn right here and the kids side have like the building. The color is the yellow.
Okay.
At the playground we open 9 to 4 p.m.
Oh, nice.
4
Then-
p.m.
Yes.
So today closed.
Today already closed.
Ah, okay.
Alright. And then next, if you are going to the beach and the swimming pool, that in the corner.
Okay.
Just go in there and follow the rule.
Thank you.
so much.
My pleasure. At the moment, we have 3 swimming pools.
Ah, nice.
The swimming pool open the 8 a.m. to the 8 p.m.
Ah. It's a big place.
Yeah, it's a big place. So the main pool behind the lobby, and then behind the floor have also, just for the adult.
Oh my god, here is the map. Crazy.
It's really, oh.
Yeah, so it's like,
And
wow.
then close to your room have for the fish pool here.
Ah, nice.
Yeah, the fishes.
Oh, yeah, that's nice.
Maybe
The best.
so lot of and then so have sitting the relax there
Yeah, that's
with
nice.
your boys.
Beautiful.
Yes, that's clear in the downstairs.
Okay, thank you. Ah, our room.
Yeah, you know.
Oh, thank you.
It's a nice room with living room. Oh,
Yeah, bed. No, that's for your big kids.
ah,
So I have for the big
nice.
bathtub there. It's like the swimming pool.
Ah, you can go there. You wanna go down? This is the room. We are beginning from the door, walking here. They have 2 lamps and 1 roof. This is really nice. Huge one. The room is quite huge. But let me show you more here. Oh, I already put my stuff there. I have my food that I cook and I bring it here so we could eat because I thought better to have it than wasted, of course. So I bring it with me because we never thought we want to go here today. We have 2 glasses, really basic, but everything is there. And we have this ref. We have a water complementary, which is good. It'd be nice if they have fruits here. What I love in this place is that they have a really huge living room space where you can roam around, not only in the room with the bed. And here in the side, they have a balcony. And the color of the building from the outside looks actually like not so exciting because the color brings it down the excitement of the holiday. That's what I feel as I first time came here. But then actually the room is really nice and clean. Like I said, I'm not really into brown color. My last video I also said I'm not into brown color so much because it makes the whole place so dark. Anyway, we have a living room and we have a TV here. I like the space of this place and I love the green color also. It looks really good and we have a lamp here. And look, we have a nice painting here. Oh, who is this woman? We have a balcony here. Another balcony, but a space here. But I would say the space here could have been better. Let's go out. So I want to, oh, I can open like this. I like this place. The table is really good. My son can do painting or drawing on the table. My kids can run around on the floor. The floor is really clean. Everything is so spacious and I like there's no molds. Good for the kids because normally in another place, not normally, in some place there are molds. You paint this? Wow, amazing. Make more. So it's really nice. I like the space. So then You can also lay down here in the couch, enjoy the space, the time. Really good. I like it. You can have space. Let's go here. So they just set it up. We asked for this one. It's very important for the baby to sleep. And I like the lights. So simple. I like everything here. It's like there are many things, but it doesn't look like it's packed of things at the same time. Because sometimes there are too much things in one hotel. So this time it's really good. It looks like minimalism in my eyes. It feels like you can breathe in this room. So like this. Very simple but very effective. It's an amazing place. I think I will have to love brown more. I think brown just make the whole place a little bit darker. For me, I prefer lighter room probably. But the best thing in this place is just it's clean. So we have TV here. So we have two TV. We have another office table, which is really good, very good, important actually. We have blower. Oh, Bible, Quran. Oh, it's not in English. I would like to read it in English. Would be nice. And this one also not in English. Not in English. No, this one is in English. And this one, not so much. You have to be careful with this one. And then here we actually have balcony also, so still the garden again. I would say more garden care. The place is really huge, but I think the most important thing is the room is not moldy. I'm really happy with that. For stuff here, and we have a really huge basket for, I don't know, what is this for? For the laundry, I would say. We have aircon here. The bathroom is amazing when I came in here, amazing. I think this is so nice. I was like, wow, really good. I love this bathroom. The color of the lights is amazing. They have a bathtub here, and this one is here. What is this? I really thought this is not stone, but it is a stone. Crazy. I thought this is a mat. So crazy. It's real stone. The Patra soap. Oh, wow. First time I have a big soap in a hotel. I love this one. Really cute. Really nice. Oh, cute. I love it. Everyday hotel laundry, great deal for towels. Oh, okay. Nice. Oh, well, yeah, we have towel. We have all the amenities here. Everything you need. Disposal. What is this? Is this tissue actually? Let me see. This tissue, I would say. That's good. We have tissue. And we have phone, telephone. I like the bathtub. The bathtub, it looks really good. And here, toilet. Okay, this safety box. Here, it's empty. Okay. You like this place also?
Of course.
Yeah, I really like it also. We are very close to the beach. They have 3 pools. They have a kids play, so we will check that out later. Really nice. I'm so excited for that for you.
I would not love it.
I cannot imagine what they have there. And of course, they have a very huge pool here in luxury hotel here in Patra Bali near the airport. So I'll put a link in the description box below for the full tour here. Since this video is too long already, that's it for this video. I hope you guys enjoy this place, and don't forget to like and subscribe. Follow for more and making more tips traveling and living here in Bali and more. So I will put the link in the description box below for the beach around and the playground and what is around here as well. I hope you have a nice day or a nice evening, and have a much love from your family and good health with your loved ones and you as well, and that everyone is happy. I see you and you as well. And thank you for supporting this channel, and see you. Bye.